Now I estimate the general expenses of company by using linear trend from the series dialog box in the rows 22, 23 and 24 for the first 7 years. Suppose company expenses on rent are $8,000. Enter $8,000 in cell reference E22. First enter $, type 8,000. Press enter key. Suppose company expenses on insurance are $10,000. Enter $10,000 in cell reference E23. First enter $, type $10,000. Press enter key. Suppose company expenses on utilities are $12,000. First enter $, type $12,000. Press enter key. I assume these expenses are increased by a constant amount of $300 from year 2 to year 7. First select these cell references range. In editing group, click fill arrow button. Click series. Linear option is already checked. In step value box, type 300. Remember, when you are extrapolating the values, do not check the trend box. If you check this box, it will return the incorrect result. So leave remain unchecked this box, click OK. The expenses of each year increase by a constant amount $300 of 3 rows. The expenses value of year 2 increases with $300. Similarly in other years. If you take difference of two values, the difference will be $300. Active this cell, enter equal sign, click this cell reference. Enter subtraction operator, click this cell reference. Press enter key. The difference of two values is $300. Again enter equal sign, click this cell reference. Enter subtraction operator, click this cell reference. Press enter key. The difference of two values is $300. So the company expenses increase by a constant amount $300 in each year. Rent expenses increase in the year first $8,000 to the year 7 $9,800. Insurance expenses increase in the year 1 $1,000 to $11,800 in the year 7. Utility expenses increase in the year first $12,000 to $13,800 in the year 7. These values are called extrapolated values because I have provided only starting values in the series dialog box. These values are called interpolated values because I have provided starting and ending values in the series dialog box.